Good morning and welcome back to a new video. Today is gonna be a little day in my life video. I feel like I look so shiny because I just put my morning routine on, and I'm gonna show you what I use actually. So good for your skin. I don't need this one. So what I use, first step, here we go. It's from Happy Happy. They're from Hawke's Bay. The second one is the Face Nourish. Here we go. The second one, face oil, intense face oil. Not working. And then, can I get sharp? Focus? It's not focusing. But that's the intense face oil, which I use as the last layer. And now I feel super fresh. But yeah, so today is a day in my life. I already had breakfast because I was so hungry and I didn't film it. But yeah, I usually have oats with protein powder and some fruits and nuts and peanut butter. And now I'm gonna go grocery shopping because I'm gonna prep some food for the week. And yeah, let's go. I got everything. I'm gonna make a tomato sauce with veggies and chicken and some kidney beans, and yeah, let's go. Probably have to put some music behind if I listen to music, because it's probably not how do you call it, no copyright music, so I'm gonna put my own music behind this whole video. But let's start. So I prepped 6 meals, 3 for Jules and 3 for me. And what's in it, you basically saw everything. So it's rice for carbs, then we have kidney beans and chicken for good protein, and also some carrots and tomato sauce and some spinach. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going back to my place and pack my clothes, or most of them. I have a lot. And I'm gonna take them over to Jules because I'm gonna move in. Well, I mean, I'm kind of moving in already. Yeah, so I'm just gonna grab a few things every time I'm back at my place. And yeah, he's away for the weekend, and then I thought, oh, that gives me some time to sort my stuff out and to get my clothes sounds so weird. Do you say that like that? Clothes over to his place and just organize it, make it like pretty. And I like having everything like sorted, like, yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do now. And yeah, so I'm at my place now, and I'm gonna show you a trick how it's super easy to pack stuff, so you don't have to pack it like, I don't know, in a suitcase or whatever. so what you do is you take like a fitted sheet and put it like this on your bed. And then all you do is you grab, this is gonna be really messy, but you grab like this. so much. Fuck. This is gonna be so heavy. Now number 2, I have another one. So ended up packing more than I thought I would today. So I have my clothes in the back, but then I also have like, yeah, I thought, oh, I could already pack this, and then there's another thing there. So yeah, my car is fully packed. Yeah, turned out I have a lot of stuff. I definitely have to get rid of some things, but anyway, let's do this. Right, this is the stuff I already had at Jules, but now I'm gonna organize this. So I bought this for this side here, and this can actually go. But yeah, I'm making a little bit of a mess, but I think that's okay. Right guys, I'm getting there. I don't know if you can see it, but I love, like, I think I'm gonna switch this pile to that pile. I think I like that more, so I put both white things on the side. This is kind of bothering me a little bit. That's just me wanting it perfect. So yeah, I have a lot of clothes.
What?
I just wanted to see that
Holy! It's so organised, it's cool.
Hey guys, I have to apologise, and I have to say that I'm filming the end of this vlog on a different day because I thought I already filmed it, but somehow I didn't. I think maybe I pressed the button and didn't press the button. Yeah, that's typical me. So that's the end of this vlog. And that's just a little what was going on like last week. Just a little inside of my life here in New Zealand and my new chapter, and I'm so excited if you follow my journey, and if you don't want to miss any of my videos, subscribe so you will see when I upload a new video. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Stay kind, stay safe, and stay healthy. See ya!